Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming the Vita has at least 50% battery and is updated. This prevents interruptions. Once done, press the PS button and open Settings, then navigate to Accessibility. Make sure no game is running in the background, because live inputs can block remapping. This first step gets you into the correct menu quickly so you can change controls safely. Don't skip the update check, as older firmware might not show the assignment option. Now, select Button Assignments and enable Custom Mapping. This is where the actual swap happens. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the X button and assign the O function, then pick the O button and assign the X function. This effectively swaps their inputs. After finishing, save the mapping as a named profile so you can return to it quickly. Once saved, test in a simple menu or title to confirm the swap is active before you resume full play. Finish by testing the new mapping in several games and system menus, because some titles ignore system-level remaps. If the swap doesn't take effect, reboot the Vita and reapply the saved profile, restarts clear input caches. If inputs behave strangely, return to button assignments and reset to the default profile, then redo the swap carefully. One key troubleshooting tip: if a specific game ignores changes, check that titles in game control options. Some games override system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.